Here's a question for you guys. How do I get these ovens through this very small doorway? And look at the height. Ovens.
There's the deliver inside the building, but it's not going to go through your door.
It's not?
No.
I'm assuming they'll be able to go that way round through a doorway. Yeah, I can see what you mean. They're little pallets together, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because it's a shame, really, because that could have almost gone in, but it's...
Go through.
Yeah.
Pallets won't.
No.
I can't make them shrink.
No. But the Christmas come all at once, the only difference is I've got to pay for it.
Well, we are mentioning Christmas already, are we?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
As a baker, yeah, Christmas is here. Might be easier once I've got it down to a normal size.
Famous words they are.
You're hearing this from a lorry driver.
They don't look too bad. I've already had to have a mechanic out to me this morning because my tail lift box decided to
Oh
break.
God. Yeah, if you put them over here by the side here. So it's Christmas at the bakery. And look, my new ovens.
Don't want them to fall off.
That's fine. You can see he's done this hundreds of times. This is how not to deliver.
Got stupid drains in the street. It doesn't have the streets not flat.
Yeah.
Couldn't have got any slopier ground, could you?
I know.
This is going to be fun. I have to admit, I was taking the mic when I said deliver it inside because I'd already seen them in America. Yeah, I'll have to individually take them off, you know.
Yes!
That's it, smile.
I'm a happy boy. Cheers, mate. What'll happen is I can put them on the side and go in that way. Hopefully. So that's the first one in. Now, let's see if I can get the second one in as easy. So that is how to get an oven out of box very simply on your own, with no help at all. Oh, hang on a minute. That is how easy it is. And doesn't that look cool? You want to take the wrapping off, don't you? I'm not, I'm just going to leave it on there. It's like this stuff. I'm just going to leave it. I just think it's better leaving that on there. They've already stripped that, see? But they have to do that. They cannot leave it on there. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, let's see in the next video, they're going to be up and running. And I got 2 new bakers. Yeah, if only. Laters!